Good morning, students. Second order differential equation. Second order differential equation you are already studied in plus 2. First order differential equation. First order differential equation the differential equation தமிழ்ல வகைக்கெழு சமன்பாடுன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. இப்போ the form of second order differential equation எப்படி இருக்கும்னா a1 d square y plus a2 dy plus a3 y equal to 0. Here you will take y is common. a1 d square plus a2d plus a3 y equal to 0. a1 a2 a3 are constant. a1 a2 a3 are constant. Where dy equal to the capital D means differentiation dy by dx. d square y na d square y by dx square. Now you have to calculate auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation enna put d equal to m. d equal to m. But d equal to m na wherever d you are replacing m, d இருக்கிறதுல m replace பண்ணா அப்ப a1 m square plus a2 m plus a3 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. ஈருறுப்பு சமன்பாடு சொல்லுவாங்க. அதனால its roots are m1 m2. அதோட மூலங்கள் வந்து ரெண்டு மூலங்கள் இருக்கும் m1 m2. இப்போ பாத்தீங்கன்னா ரூட்ஸ் வந்து டிஃபரெண்டா இருக்கலாம். ஒன்னு ரியல் அண்ட் டிஸ்டிங்கா இருக்கலாம். அதாவது அப்ப என்ன m1 not equal to m2. ரூட்ஸ் வந்து சப்போஸ் 1,2 1,2 னா that is real and distinct. வெவ்வேறு மூலங்கள் வந்து வெவ்வேறாக இருக்கும். வேறா இருந்தால் என்ன அதோட CF னா காம்ப்ளிமெண்டரி ஃபங்க்ஷன். அப்ப சிறப்பு தீர்வு சொல்லுவாங்க. a e power m1x b e power m2x. இந்த ரெண்டு ரூட் எப்படி எழுதலாம்? a e power m1x plus b e power m2x. அடுத்து கேஸ் 2. suppose that roots are equal. m1 equal to m2. roots are equal. அப்ப CF equal to ax plus b e power mx or a plus bx e power mx. You are replacing ax plus b or a plus bx. ax plus b or a plus bx. Then case 3. The roots are complex. அப்ப m equal will take alpha plus or minus I beta. Then complementary function you have to written as e power alpha x a cos beta x plus b sin beta x. Pass. Now see the problem. The first problem d square by dx square plus 3 dy by dx plus 2y equal to 0. But now already I explained d square by dx square you are written as d square y plus 3 dy by dx written as dy plus 2y equal to 0. Now we will take common y. d square plus 3d plus 2 y is common equal to 0. But now next write the auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation is m square replacing d by m, d equal to m square plus 3m plus 2 equal to 0. Now you are factorizing 2. 1 2s are 2. But what you are getting? m plus 1 into m plus 2 equal to 0. Now m equal to what? Minus 1. m equal to minus 2. By case 1, the roots are real and distinct. By case 1, roots and real are distinct. Now CF equal to a e power m1x plus b e power m2x. Now here y equal to CF, both are same. Because the right hand side is 0. Homogeneous equation. Homogeneous equation y equal to CF. Now a e power minus m1x plus b e power minus 2x. But now here you are replacing m by minus 2 here also. You are replacing minus 1 here and minus 1 here and minus 2 here also. They are also same. Next, see the next problem. Solution. Same thing. You will write d square y plus 4 dy plus 4y equal to 0. You will take y is common. d square plus 4d plus 4 into y equal to 0. But now auxiliary equation is d by you are replacing d by m. d by m substitute பண்ண by m square plus 4m plus 4 equal to 0. Now you are factorizing 4 2 2s are 4 multiply பண்ணா 4 வருது add பண்ணா 4 வருது therefore you will written as m plus 2 into m plus 2 equal to 0 but what m equal to minus 2 m equal to minus 2 but the roots are what here real and equal the roots are இந்த மூலங்கள் எப்படி இருக்கு ஈக்குவலா இருக்கு ரியலா இருக்கு அப்ப cf formula cf a plus bx e power mx okay, therefore here y also y equal to cf right hand side is 0 homogeneous equation a plus bx e power 2x pass. See the next problem d square plus d plus 1 into y but straight out கொடுக்கலாம் எப்படி d square plus d plus 1 into y equal to 0 here auxiliary equation is what m square plus m plus 1 equal to 0 here you can't able to factorize பண்ண முடியாது ஏனா because 1 is there multiply பண்ணா 1 add பண்ணா 1 it is impossible therefore use the formula m equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2e by m here a equal to 1 coefficient m square b equal to coefficient of m 1 constant 1 substituting here minus 1 plus or minus root of 1 minus 1 square 4 into 1 into 1 divided by 2 into 1 minus 1 plus or minus 1 minus 4 divided by 2 what you are getting minus 1 plus or minus root minus 3 divided by 2 in plus 2 you are studied complex number minus 1 plus or minus in a root of negative number is a complex number you know root minus 1 you are splitted root minus 3 now root minus 1 into root 3 divided by 2 root minus 1 is what minus 1 m equal to minus 1 plus or minus root minus 1 I root 3 divided by 2 root minus 1 is what I you will written as minus 1 by 2 plus or minus I root 3 by 2 where alpha plus or minus I beta but alpha equal to what minus 1 by 2 beta equal to root 3 by 2 compare CF y equal to CF equal to formula e power alpha x a cos beta x plus b sin beta x but now you are replacing alpha by minus 1 by 2 by e power minus 1 by 2 x a cos beta is root 3 by 2 root 3 by 2 x plus b sin root 3 by 2 x see the next problem it is non-homogeneous but right hand side வந்து the function will be in the form of e power ax எப்படி இருக்கும் exponential formula இருக்கும் here you have to calculate your the solution is the general solution is you will evaluate y equal to cf plus pi you will calculate complementary function and particular integral first auxiliary equation write the auxiliary equation is m square replacing d by m square minus 5m plus 6 equal to 0 இப்போ factorizing 6 multiply பண்ணா 6 ஒன்னு add பண்ணா minus 5 அப்போ what you are getting 3 into 2 multiply பண்ணா 6 வருது add பண்ணா plus 5 வருது அப்போ you are replacing minus into minus plus therefore minus 3 minus 2 minus 5 you are written like this m minus 3 m minus 2 equal to 0 but what you are getting m equal to 3 and m equal to 2 but now the roots are real and distinct therefore y equal to cf equal to formula a e power m1 x plus b e power m2 x a e power 3x plus b e power 2x Next, particular integral. PI means particular integral. So particular integral you are taking e power 4x divided by, you will keep down d square minus 5d plus 6. This will be denominator. Now you are replacing d by 4. In place of d, the coefficient of x you are replacing in the d. So e power 4x divided by 4 square minus 5 into 4 plus 6. What you are getting? E power 4x by 16 minus 20 plus 6. About 16 plus 6, 22. 22 minus 22. About e power 4x divided by 2. Then finally you will write y equal to CF plus PI. But CF is what? Complementary function. CF. D square, sorry, A e power 3x plus B e power 2x. B e power 2x plus particular integral e power 4x divided by 2. See the next problem. D square minus 60 plus 9 into y equal e power 3x plus e power minus 3x. Same thing, you will write the auxiliary equation is m square minus 6m plus 9 equal to 0. You are factorizing 9. 3 3s are 9. But minus 6, therefore minus 3, minus 3. But you are written m minus 3 equal to 0. M equal to what? 3, 3. But the roots are equal, real and equal. Real and equal na CF and A x plus B e power mx. You will also write A plus bx. Both are same. A x plus b e power 3x. E power 3x. Next, particular integral 1. There are two exponential term is there. Therefore, particular integral 1 first. E power 3x. E power 3x divided by d square minus 6d plus 9. Now you are replacing d by 3. D by 3 kudutana d by 3 e power 3x divided by 3 square minus 6 into 3 plus 9. So over here 9 plus 9 18, 18 minus 18 0. But it is failure case. Failure case. But failure case na இப்போ என்ன பண்ண next, you will differentiating denominator. Differentiating denominator என்ன ஆகும்னா e power 3x divided by d square பண்ணா 2d minus 6. இப்போ you will add x here also. அப்ப என்ன ஆகும்னா after differentiating you will add numerator in x. But the next, again you are substituting x e power 3x divided by, for d 3, 2 into 3 minus 6. But again it makes 0. Again it is failure. Therefore, by differentiating again by x, again you will add on x into x e power 3x divided by 2. This is a differentiable denominator with respect to d. 2 d upon 1, 6 becomes 0. What you are writing finally? X square by 2 e power 3x. Simply we written, suppose here 3 and here 3. Both are equal. The roots 3 and 3 here both are equal na, immediately you will write x square by 2 into e power 3x. But next, particular 2 என்ன பாருங்க, e power minus 3x divided by d square minus 6d plus 9. But now you are substituting e power minus 3x divided by minus 3 whole square minus 6 into minus 3 plus 9. What you are getting? E power minus 3x divided by 9 plus 9, 18, 18 plus 18, 36. 36. So finally you will write y equal to what? CF plus PI1 plus PI2. PI2.